technology was behind. Technology in the real estate space was behind. I think everyone would agree. If you don't, then we'll take that conversation offline. But so that's why this all-in-one concept was so desired, right? Because there wasn't a lot of competition. So what happened was there's a few players that entered the space. They claimed to fill this all-in-one role, but didn't necessarily realize how specialized each aspect of the real estate business is. And the result was a refracturing or resplintering of services to specialize in a specific niche, right? And some technologies, some services are doing better than others. And so what you're able to do with PieSyc is now review all the various services out there, figure out which one is best of breed or the one that makes the most sense in your head, and then you can piece them together with PieSyc without it being a broken Frankenstein monster. I mean, this is because that's what a lot of people are going to be concerned about. But what happens is through PieSyc is you're perfectly sealing these programs together, giving you effectively the all-in-one solution that people are looking for.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I had a webinar last week with one of the number one team in Phoenix. They did hundreds of millions of dollars in business, and one of the partners there says he has a dream that this all-in-one solution will exist, and maybe one day it will. It doesn't today, but PieSyc makes that a possibility.
One of the use cases that I've liked, another agent give a testimonial about is that they were a growing team of agents, and as agents even switch from one team to the other, they bring along with them, right, their legacy database, and oftentimes that legacy database may sit in sometimes in Google Contacts, but if they've kind of matured out of Google Contacts, it may actually sit in a dot loop database. It may sit in a say a follow-up boss database. It may sit in like other CRMs, and the ease of use that you can get out of PieSyc in just like setting up those things, translating like, oh yeah, so you've been using those tags in your previous system, right? In fact, here in where we use Chime here, we're actually that translates to tags and to groups and into pipelines. Boom, 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 click, click, click. You can like onboard a new agent in just a matter of minutes, right? Without having putting the onus on them to like take their database and massage it in Excel and make sure it aligns neatly. No, you can just use your PieSyc license to take that information, translate it, and just bring it in, and have them still use their legacy system for a while, right? They don't have to like pull the plug. No, it's about letting them use it because PieSyc runs on the background. And then as time is ripe and all of the data starts living in Chime, you just pull the plug.